So today we're going to analyze rhetoric and kind of what that means. So I attended a junior design experience where me and a group needed to build a tower with certain width and height requirements that would be able to withstand being placed into a shaker plate um, without being damaged or falling apart. What we noticed right off the bat was that triangles are the strongest. We should always begin with a sturdy base, and then we should add reinforcements as we build. This is so that we could experiment with different techniques of building infrastructure that could withstand intense weather, as well as exploring our communication skills using ethos, pathos, and logos. So let's talk about those mean. So ethos is the credibility element of a proposal. So showing your audience why you're qualified to present a proposal. I applied this to my junior design experience by sharing what degree I was majoring in, sharing my goals that I hope to achieve in the future, and the interests that I had related to the project. So ethos is so that your audience can learn to trust your knowledge and believe that you are not presenting them with false information. Pathos is the emotional component of a proposal, so to connect and relate to your audience. So as a group, we did this by determining the vision we wanted to recreate by the end of the day. We had confidence in our prototype when we presented. We inspired team bonding and inclusion. We used encouraging language and body language, as well as acknowledged difficulties that we had reached and encouraged each other to find a way around it. So this enables the audience to relate to you as well as be interested in your presentation. So logos is the logical component of a proposal. So how we applied this was we had discussion amongst my group. We analyzed tasks step by step so that we were well researched. We referred to real life successes and made decisions based off of that. And we utilized the facts that we knew from previous courses or experiences. So this application is to demonstrate the amount of research that you have done. So the key components of success in this event was that now that we have explored the communication involved in rhetoric, these were the crucial components that we for in communication. So we had confidence in our design and a logical explanation. We encouraged teamwork and open communication. We created a level of trust between you and your team, so psychological safety, and showing an interest in the project at hand, so as well as displaying your careful thought process. So missing either ethos, pathos, or logos in a proposal will drastically decrease the effectiveness of it. So a historical application of rhetoric would be to apply it to Martin Luther King Jr.'s I Had a Dream speech. So in the ethos element, he provided his credibility by referring to his faith in the American dream. Pathos, he utilized the following quote to show emotional connection to the audience. I have a dream that my 4 little children will not be judged by the color of their skin. And logos, he refers to America's core values, which he bases his argument off of, showcasing his plethora of knowledge on this topic. And then when we get to our judging, once all of our structures were built, a panel of judges came in and watched us present. These were the most crucial concepts that were touched upon by the judges' feedback. Making sure that we had an introduction of our group and their credibility, having an emotional connection with the audience and judges, having a thoughtful design and purpose for everything in the structure, being able to answer questions from the judges on the spot, as well as having confidence in your presentation, design, and teammates.